Kumbaga, kung sakali mang bad girl yung kung paano siya outside, yung same kay Crystal, yung kumbaga, sa akin lang good. Ganun.
Okay. Brent?
Sa akin po, syempre, bad girl. Kasi pag bad girl, mas may thrill eh. Parang, it will never get boring. Pag bad girl.
Oh, may mga nag-oo dito. Oh. Parang, Harvey, ikaw.
Ako, siguro hindi naman yung suplada, pero mas risk taker. Kumbaga parang pag may gusto siya, she's really gonna take action to make it happen talaga. Tapos yung tipong gagawin niya yung mga alam niyo dapat di niya dapat gawin. Pero nandun yung thrill.
Oh.
Parang yung sinabi ni Brent. Tama? Di ba? Di, pero gets ba?
Gets,
Na making
gets.
sense. Parang ganun na parang,
Kumbaga may
Oh.
pagka-adventurous side,
Yeah,
di ba?
parang
Yung
when pag nagpipitch siya sa'yo ng idea at first parang, tapos biglang,
Sige nga.
parang ganun na excited.
Someone who loves the thrill,
Yeah.
di ba? River, yeah.
Ako, doon tayo sa Good Girl.
Oh, nakasumagal si Jella na good girl.
Parang hindi lang maganda sa labas, pero sa puso rin maganda.
Nag-aaral ng med school. Yeah!
Birthday niya ngayon.
Yeah! Thank you, River. Thank you, guys. Okay. Alan Sancon of Stars Photog will ask the next set of questions. Bix, you wanna go next? Okay. Bad boy daw si Alan.
Hello, good evening everyone. Congratulations to your new movie dito. Yung first question ko for Brent, yan. Alam ko it was shoot before you enter PBB House, di ba?
Yes po.
So, would you think ito yung parang sa palagay mo yung mga fans mo will support this because you are part of PBB? Sabi nga, mas nakilala ka, di ba? Do you think mas papanoorin nila because you are the big winner of PBB?
Syempre, it comes along with it naman. Yung supporters po kasi talaga, grabe, kahit anong gawin mo, 100% ibibigay din talaga na yung suporta nila. So, I would say yes po. Pero more than that, grabe din po talaga yung suporta nitong Wattpad book na to eh. So, yun, tulong-tulong na lang po siguro sila, kaya it's very exciting.
Thank you, Brent.
Thank you.
Yung second question ko for River. River, alam namin nag-trending yung gray pants mo inside PBB House, di ba? Dito, mas marami bang mga gray pants that you're wearing?
Bad boy
yung
nga
makita
si
mo?
Alan.
Bad boy ba yun?
Sinunog ko na po yung gray pants na yun. Kaya naka-black pants na ako. Pero hindi, less gray pants na po. Mas dark colors po yung...
May nagre-request dito, more daw. Sabi nila.
Kaloka, Alan.
May nagsasabi sa gilid. Yeah, so congratulations everyone to your...
Thank you, Alan. Maraming salamat. Pasa mo na yung next question kay Bix. Of Bix Buzz and Abante. May tanong. Ito, for Jello. OA? Taas ng energy. Hi, Jello.
Hello?
Ang landi.
Uy, media con to.
Kung may isang kanta yung BGY or na parang, ano ba yung tanong ko?
Gusto mong kantahin kay?
Gusto mo kantahin kay Angie, ano ito at bakit?
Oh.
Feeling ko all these ladies.
Sample.
Sample! With the steps.
Ay, ginawa niyo yun sa TikTok, di ba? Dustin, ginawa niyo yun?
Pasabayan niyo ako.
Yes! Harvey, ginawa niyo yun. Nakita ko, River, na ginawa niyo yun.
Yes, with the steps.
Feeling ko all these ladies kasi yung song na yun is about honoring women. The women deserve to be celebrated, to be parang i-treat na queen. And I think perfect si Angie para kantahan ng gano'n. Sumabit sayaw pa. May grupo pa. Marami kaming content about dyan, kaya abangan niyo.
Long girls. Pero para sa mga boys, paano kayo magpakilig ng babae?
So we asked that for Brent, River, Dustin, and Jello. And Harvey.
Yeah, kay River muna.
Paano magpakilig?
Paano ba? Siguro depende talaga sa person, pero para sa akin, yung love language ko talaga is time and acts of service, and siguro doon na ako nagpo-focus sa pwede kong bigyan sa kanya.
No, River, you're right. Because you cannot say that nakakakilig yung ginawa mo. The only person who will say na nakakakilig yun is the receiver, right? So tama ang question na lang is, ano yung love language mo? Na para na kinikilig yung receiver. So ano ulit yung love language ni River? Acts of service and
Acts of service and quality time.
quality time. So may quality time na ngayon.
Meron naman po.
Yes. Harvey, ikaw, what's your love language?
Siguro tama po kasi yung sinabi ninyo yun, di ba? Wala naman pong iisang explanation or reason kung ano po yung nakakakilig. Kumbaga, I think for me, you just need to listen to your partner. Everyone has different needs, everyone has different wants. And sabihin natin yung nakakakilig sa akin, bakit hindi nakakakilig sa kanya? Or something that I would find cute that I could do for her, maybe it isn't that cute sa kanya or nakakilig sa kanya. So I think it's all about listening to your partner, knowing how they want to be seen and valued and taken care of and loved.
So ano nga love language mo?
Love
Acts of
language
service,
ko,
gifts,
It's
quality time.
quality time and I would say quality time and physical touch.
Physical touch.
Yeah.
So, she needs to be next to you lagi.
Yes.
Diba? Alright. Brent, ikaw, what's your love language?
I've realized more than the grand gestures, kasi minsan from time to time kailangan din talaga yun. Pero it's really about the small things. As long as it's genuine, totoo talaga yung pinapakita mo, yung magbigay ka lang ng konting assurance na everyday na siya pa rin talaga yung gusto mo or siya pa rin yung mahal mo. Yun, I think yun talaga.
So, words of affirmation kay Brent. Jello, ikaw.
Well, ako yung type siguro na kapag gusto ko yung tao, ako yung nagsusulat ng handwritten letters, parang gumawa ng mga playlist, ganyan. Siguro, kaya ko rin pagluto kung gusto ko. Pero, feeling ko ngayon, ang love language na usually nabibigay ko is paramdam ko na I'm consistent
Okay.
and quality time tsaka service siguro.
Dustin, ikaw.
Ayun po. Ano yun?
Anong love language ni Dustin? Is it
Love language.
words of affirmation, quality time, gifts, acts of service, physical touch?
Acts of service po.
Ah.
Ayun guys, kasi pampakilig, tonti kasi ako, aminin ko na dito.
Oo.
Then po, acts of service talaga, then words of affirmation.
Right. Para ma-assure. Bix?
Yes, I'm satisfied.
You're satisfied. Thank you. Buti
Sige ba?
naman. Salamat naman. Nahiya naman kami, baka hindi ka masatisfied. Thank you, Bix. Hannah Malorca is here from Inquirer. Hannah, are you still here? Wala na si Hannah. Ako na lang mag-read ng question niya. For our author, si Miss Tina, how do you ensure that the film adaptation will remain faithful to its core? And